Designing complex motion systems for medical and lab automation equipment has gotten harder. To keep pace, it's important to choose the right motion control components. This includes linear guides that are miniature, smooth, and maintenance-free. Because medical machines are shrinking, linear guides need to be compact relative to the loads they carry. This will enable them to meet the requirements of many size-constrained medical applications. Medical robots and lab automation systems are sensitive to jerky motion. When selecting smooth guides for machines, look for products that have a low uniform sliding resistance over their travel distance. Maintenance, especially lubrication, drives up the cost of ownership for medical machines. Design features, like our proprietary C-Lube technology, keep linear guides running without the need to add lubricant. Learn more in our latest white paper.